Installing Made Easy, a guide to install the app. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase you often hear in the digital world: install the app. Whether you're new to technology or just brushing up on your English, understanding this phrase is key to navigating today's tech-savvy environment. Let's get started. Install the app is a phrase that refers to the process of downloading and setting up a software application, app, on your device, such as a smartphone, tablet, or computer. The word install means to set up or establish something so that it's ready for use. An app is a shortened form of the word application, which in this context means a software program designed to perform specific tasks. Apps are essential for various tasks and entertainment. They can range from productivity tools, like word processors and calendars, to games and social media platforms. By installing apps, you're customizing your device to meet your personal or professional needs. 1. Choose the app. First, identify the app you want to install. You can find apps in digital marketplaces like Google Play Store for Android devices or Apple App Store for iOS devices. 2. Download the app. Once you've found your app, click on the Install or Get button. This will download the app to your device. 3. Open the app. After the download is complete, an icon for the app will appear on your device. Tap this icon to open and start using the app. Always download apps from reputable sources to avoid malware. Check reviews and ratings before installing. Be aware of the permissions the app requests, like access to your camera or contacts. And that's a wrap on Install the App. Remember, installing apps is all about enhancing your device's functionality to suit your needs. I hope this video helps you navigate the digital world with more confidence. Happy app installing, and see you in the next video.